It's like I'm watching a movie.
Back in there.
But I'm gonna set you free now.
I don't wanna be like Cinderella, sitting in the dark corner, waiting for somebody to come and set me free.
No.
I don't wanna be like someone waiting for a handsome prince to come and sing all the whisper by when nobody's on my side. Don't wanna be no one else. I'd rather rescue myself.
Hey guys, it's your girl Maleah here, and with my assistant, my mom. And today we are gonna make peanut butter M&M cookies.
To make peanut butter and M&M cookies, you need 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 large egg. M&Ms are optional.
Let's get cooking. Use a fork so you can press down the cookies. Ooh, these are really good. I did it! Here, I'm gonna eat this one. It's a front. It's like a front. Now bake for 10 minutes. That was good, guys. And remember, tell your parents to help you cook these things. Click that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.